guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing a video on how to curl your hair with a wand curler. So it's weave, curl your weave with a wand curler. So basically I get a lot of questions asking, how do I get my curls to be so fluffy? And I tell them I use a wand curler, and people probably think like, how can you curl your hair with a wand curler? I promise to you guys, it's so simple. That's why I'm about to give y'all a quick tutorial on how to do it. And then I'm going to show those who haven't seen my fluffy curls the end result. So stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So first things first, make sure you have freshly washed hair and that it is dry. Make sure that it is not oily, because your curls will be very oily if your hair is oily. So make sure that it's freshly washed and conditioned and dry. So I section my hair off in a whole bunch of sections, and I sectioned it off, the part that I'm curling, in 2 sections. And let me just show you all the part that I did curl. So basically, Shirley Simple Curls, I think that's the name of it. So I get the hair. Let me make sure that you all can see what I'm doing. So I get this hair and I lay the hair flat, and that's all I do. Keep it flat, keep it flat, keep it flat. And see if it starts to slide, then I push it down. Keep it flat, keep it flat, keep it flat. Push it down again, keep it flat, and get it all the way to the end. And I'll hold it. Make sure that it's twisted all the way tight. Hold it. And make sure that the heat is all the way up to the max. And there go a curl. And here's another method. So sometimes, because my hair is really long, because this is 24 inches, I'll go all the way to the end. And I'll curl it up. Let me scoot back so I feel like y'all can see this. Let me see. So yeah, I'll get the ends and now come on. I get the ends, start from the end, make sure that the hair is flat. And I'll twist it up. It's the easier method. I'll twist it up all the way to the top. And if anybody wants to know, yes, holding it does burn. Don't burn real bad don't burn real bad. And then boom, we got curls. So that's 2 methods on how to curl it. But what you don't want to do, let me show y'all what y'all don't want to do. You don't want to twist it. You see these, like how it's twisted? I'm twisting. Don't do that, because then you'll have the wavy kind of wand curls, and if that's not the look you're going for, you're trying to go for the more curly look, then you do it flat. So I'm gonna start from the end, because that's a little bit easier for me, and I'm gonna just roll it up. Roll it all the way up to the top. And drop it. So it's really easy to do, It isn't time consuming, but see, I've been stopping, taking breaks, and checking my phone and doing other stuff. But take about 30 minutes, maybe 20. It depends how big the sections you're curling. See, I'm doing the whole entire head, so it's taking me quite a while, but I'm almost done, and I'll be showing you all in the next clip the end result. So just keep watching. And also, I curl kind of crazy, so I could be splitting the curls like this, or I'll just do one curl if I split the section thin enough. You could kind of do what you want when it comes to curling hair. Like, you really can do no wrong with these kind of curls. But just the biggest thing is to make sure that the hair is flat. And this is what I mean by flat. Flat. This is flat. And you just let it go. And another thing that I do is I'll twist the sections up so to make them fluffy. That's another way to make them fluffy, is to twist these sections up. And sometimes what I do, if I'm not about to go anywhere or not about to move around, typically what I'll do is I'll get the end and I'll pin curl it, push it all the way up, roll it up, and I'll stick a bobby pin in it, and that'll be a pin curl. But obviously, I'm not about to pin curl it because I'm about to step out and do whatever it is this day destined for me to do. See how that curl came out? But I want it to be a little bit more tighter, so I'm probably about to split it so it can be more tighter at the top. But please make sure your hair is freshly washed. And you can make sure that it's freshly washed, but if you ever want to touch up on the curls, you can, because it already have been freshly washed. But if you're trying to do some curls on like some oily hair, it's not gonna work, or it's not gonna be as fluffy and voluminous as you would like it. So I'm just touching up these curls. And boom. And I also like to do these particular type of curls with the wand curler because they last. Once the curls fall, like the rest of the week, well, for one, you will have these curls. Let me stop right here. Depending on the hair that you bought and where you bought it from, these curls can last for days or not. But I bought this hair from Industry Locks. That's my favorite company. I've been using it since I was in high school. And the hair that I always buy from them is the Peruvian Extreme Wave. And I'm gonna just let y'all know, once you straighten it and put heat to it, the waves leave. They stay, but they be very minimal. So, but it curls really nice, and that's what I like about it. So I've been buying their hair for years. And this is Peruvian Extreme Wave, 24 and 222s. I usually get a 26, 24, 22, but due to some circumstances, I just got what I could. But yeah, like I was saying, these curls last me like 3-4 days, and then afterwards they just fall into pretty waves. So I can literally curl my hair. Today's Saturday. I might not even have to curl it again till next Monday or next, yeah. So it's probably gonna last me about a week. I might curl it on Sunday again. But that's the perks of purchasing quality hair. So the hair don't have to cost much to be quality, but y'all, you know what you pay for. So that's why I invested in just some good hair. Well, I'm gonna stop talking and continue with the video.
Whoever thought a guy would want a girl like me? Whoever thought that I would fall so easily? Whoever thought that we would finally come to be? I guess they just don't know how much you mean to me. Whoever thought that they would have so much to say? We'll go on anyway. It's alright, it's okay. Take whatever comes our way. Together we will stay. I got 3 words to say. Never say never. I can't believe they stop our happiness, but trying to pull us down with such mess. Why can't they let us live just like the rest and keep us out of all this crazy madness? And when they talk, I think it's just a shame that all they do is sit and think my name, when all that I do is mainly sit and think about
whenever I have a middle part, I can't seem to get both sides the same, but we just gonna roll with it. In the next clip, I'm gonna show y'all what it look like on my head. Stay tuned.
About the way me and you get down.
Okay, you guys, so I'm back. This is how the hair turns out. This is how my curls turn out. And I'm just gonna give you all a little look. But yeah, this is how I get my fluffy curls. Actually, I had took my wig off, so that's why my baby hair appears looking a little crazy, because I realized I forgot to close the video out, so I had to toss it back on. And I just wasn't about to go through laying everything down because I'm about to get ready to wind down for the night. But yeah, this is how I get my hair with these fluffy curls. And I'm gonna insert pictures and videos that I've recorded of myself when it was first done. Then I'm gonna insert you know, pictures as I take pictures throughout the week, so I can show you all the process of how the hair falls. And if you want to preserve the hair, you could Flexi Rod the curls, or you can pin curl the curls. I showed you how to pin curl the curls, but with Flexi Rods, I just lay the hair flat and roll it away from my face so the curls can fall how it wants to. But if you want a tutorial on how to Flexi Rod and pin curl the actual hair, comment down below and let me know. Also, before I get into anything else, I'm gonna insert the pictures and clips for this week of how this hair turned out right here.
What are they jealous or they hate me? I guess they all have their own PhDs. I wish that they would just stop sweating me. Stop. Trying to get the best of me. No matter what they say, baby. Gotta move on, cause we're gonna be epic. Did the thoughts that we did the worst that we said. It's from the love we never said.
So today is Wednesday, May 28th, and this is how the hair look. The curls have dropped. And you know, it's been like humid and raining and all that kind of stuff, but like I said before in the video, I really like when the curls drop because it gives it like this curl wave pattern. I actually brushed the curls out while I was at work, so I'm gonna show y'all the back if you can see it. I hope y'all can see it because I don't know if you can see it obviously, but you know, this is what the hair looks like. And I cut the hair Saturday, so they make Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It's 4 days, so it's probably still gonna look the same tomorrow, but I will keep you all updated. If I don't record another video, I'll probably take a picture of how the hair looks Thursday, because Friday I'm gonna curl it. So, well, I'm gonna curl it Thursday night for Friday. So yeah, this is how the hair is, and I just wanted to give y'all an update. Okay, now that you've seen how my week turned out, I'm about to get ready to close this video out. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you want more videos like this or anything else. Just let me know what you all want to see. Hit me up on my social media at _the_doll_on_heels. That's my Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, you name it, that's it. So make sure you hit me up on there. Let me know what you all want to see. Comment down below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this with all your friends. Get me some more subscribers. And I'll be back to you all with more videos. Peace out.